Jiangsu YIZHI Communication Technology, whose production base is in Zhangjiagang, Jiangsu, with over 200 employees, is a high-tech company specializing in photoelectric communication product R&D, design, manufacturing, sales, and services. We provide fiber optic cabling and end-to-end solutions and offer various fiber optic cable product and information transmission, integrated system design, data center cabling, and industrial interconnection cabling solutions for the world's telecommunication and other industries, such as utilities, transportation, security, petrochemical, medical, and education. Our products include various single and multi-film indoor and outdoor fiber optic cables, flame-retardant communication cables for coal mines, optical communication accessories, including special photoelectric cables, fiber optic connectors, and fiber optic transceivers, various data communication packages, modules, panels, cabinets, and other integrated cabling and photoelectric communication products. YIZHI is a professional industrial and electrical cabling service provider with a complete end-to-end product line and integrated solutions. Through the whole system fiber optic cabling solutions, integrated cabling solutions, smart home cabling solutions, security cabling solutions, and professional infrastructure services, we meet customized needs across the world. We draw on whole system solutions and technological innovation to create brand value. Our products are widely used in critical, high-bandwidth, new, and high-end projects in various industries such as government, education, finance, public security, highways, and carriers. Our products have been sold in over 20 countries and regions, which has formed a business model combining domestic sales with exports, plus OEM, and established strategic partnerships with multinational electronic enterprises.